Let me tell you about this box of candy from Retro Candy Young. It would make an excellent gift for anyone in their 50s. Now, let's say it is someone who is turning 50 this year. This is a perfect milestone birthday gift. And it comes with this little sleeve on top. So if they were born in 1976, it's perfect. But even beyond that, for anyone in their 50s like me, this is such a cool box of candy. Now there's 30 different kinds of candy inside, and I get excited when I look inside this. My parents called me the candy kid when I was growing up. Yes, I could put away some candy, and it brings back memories of road trips. I would eat candy to pass the time. Yes, think sour candy, and I would polish off the whole package. Now, if you brought this to a birthday party or gathering with family, everybody would have fun eating some candy from this. Somebody who's older, they would say, "Oh, this brings back memories of when I used to eat this." Or somebody that was younger, they might say, "Oh, I love that one." Everyone would love this. It's such a great gift idea, and it's easy because look, let me show you the box again. The box in this is so nice. You wouldn't need to wrap it. It comes just like this. It's easy to give. All you have to do is hand it over to the person who's having the birthday. Such a cool gift idea. I highly recommend it.